Maverick. We saw how we can choose to be physically literate by first cultivating the desire and motivation to value our body as the epitome of life. Second, by building our confidence and competence in a wide range of activities. And thirdly, by developing our knowledge and understanding to take responsibility for life. Let me elaborate on the third aspect of knowledge and understanding. Knowledge is not information. We can get all the information we want from Google. But that is absolutely irrelevant to us if it has no application to our life. When that information can be placed in our life context and becomes something we understand as applicable in our own life, it becomes knowledge. Till then, it is just information. We take the effort to understand the features of the latest 20K mobile, how we can best use the mobile. But just because this body came free of any charges, we don't take any efforts to understand this immaculate body and what an immaculate design. We browse through every user manual to understand the best practices for optimum use of any new piece of technology. But we don't yet have our personal user manual on what works for our body, what foods suit us, what activities support our health. Knowledge, knowing about our body, and understanding, figuring out the best practices for our body is the personal responsibility of every human being. Now comes the tricky part. Your body needs to be active. We know energy is produced every time our muscles contract and relax. We know that movement enhances cognition. The digestive fires need to extract food from raw materials, not health in a pill chemical variety. Our muscles need to be able to stretch and rebound back to its original length, optimizing its elasticity. Our heart needs a little push at times, needs to learn to be calm at our will. Our hormones are meant to keep up this dance with each other, constantly striving for that elusive balance. It is the job of each one of our 15 trillion cells to keep us alive. And they work together to achieve that every moment of our life. So knowledge and understanding is not about knowing the information and not acting upon it, pampering our body to become inefficient. Truly understanding and valuing our body means allowing it to do its job, to be able to move across all planes, digest the different types of foods, sleep deeply, breathe correctly, keep it hydrated, and so much more. Valuing our knowledge is getting in touch with our body, allowing it to work at its optimum best without tampering with its processes, neither overloading it and abusing it with drugs, smoke, alcohol and such, nor treating it like a fragile piece on a museum shelf, too scared to experience the humongous opportunities that life offers. Physical literacy is developing our knowledge and understanding to take responsibility for life. That second part of the statement, taking responsibility for life, stems from the irrefutable fact you and you alone are responsible for your life. Blaming is not allowed. Any knowledge that does not change the way we think and in turn change the way we behave is dead knowledge. Only that knowledge that gives us a positive shift to better understanding is true knowledge, and it is capable of making us take the responsibility of keeping our body in its best possible usable functioning potential for all of life. Here again, for life implies both the duration of our life as well as the quality of our life. We need to take responsibility for the entire span of our life as well as for the quality with which we live our life. So I say, physical literacy is being aware of our embodied nature and using that awareness to realize the sanctity and dignity of our body. We can choose to be physically literate by cultivating the desire and motivation to value our body as the epitome of life, by building our confidence and competence in a wide range of activities, and by developing our knowledge and understanding to take responsibility for life. On behalf of your immaculate body, I beg of you, treat it with the dignity it deserves. Maverick.